Hey everybody, today I'll be sharing with you a quick little tip to make your videos stand out and a little bit more cute. We are on canva.com. We will go ahead and create a design and you will click on presentation. Once this pops up, you will go ahead to the side and you will find elements. Elements are clip arts. Click on elements and type in whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and type in computer and I will click on this one and I'm going to click and drag to how I want it to look like. Something like this looks good. And then you will hit uploads and upload a video. I actually have one right on my desktop, so I'm just going to click and drag it. Should pop up. There we go. Now, this video I took on Prezi.com. So that's why you see these little squares on the side. Prezi.com is also a great platform to go ahead and create fun videos where students can go ahead and see the images. I'll go ahead and show you this later, but what I'm going to do is click to fit it in here. And I also will add a little banner. Go back to elements and go find a banner you like. And let me go ahead and choose this one. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn it a little bit. Like so. And you could make it smaller, whatever. And you're going to also write your name. So right here, text box, click on the text. Write meet Mrs. Munir. Whoops. Okay. Put that right there. Color that black. Bold it. So it looks really cool. Alrighty, so, and you could also add your Bitmoji here if you wanted to make it look a little bit more cute. But I'm just going to leave it like this for now. And what you're going to do is download, and the file type will be an MP3 video. So you're not saving it as a PNG. You're making sure it's a video. And go ahead and click download. And this is what you'll get. Hi Grizzlies, and welcome to 3rd grade. My name is Mrs. Munir and I will be your 3rd grade teacher. So excited to see you guys. This icon is my Bitmoji icon and she will pop up in our lessons, our slides. She will go ahead and say her hello. I will be teaching you math this year and we have such fun activities and lessons planned for you, so stay tuned. A little bit about myself. This is my family. I am married and I have 2 kids, a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old. Things I like to do. I like to take pictures. I like to paint. I like to keep myself healthy by jogging. I also like to cook for my family. I love all shades of the color blue. I am having so much fun right now working from home and creating lots of fun stuff for you guys. And I can't wait to see you guys, but until then, we will see each other virtually. Bye.